Gwan Squad. Today we're going down to Ochi to link up with my brethren. He's going to show us a cool spot just to hang out, swim and stuff. And yeah, so right now Lauren just grabbing a bottle of rum. Not for me, it's a gift for somebody. Then we're going to head out. Let me tell you guys, went to a wedding last night, beat the rum with Lauren, and boy oh boy am I hungover. My head is like a... But, you know what? We didn't drink and drive, got home safe, had a great time. So, yeah. Big up to Bola Slush and his beautiful wife, enough love. Wishing you guys many, many, many years. Oh, of love and happiness. Alright guys, well, come along for the journey. What I done on my nose, I'm out. I love cartel. So nice. Yes, sir. Back, sir. All right. And a vlog favorite, Christian and Sam are back. Babe, stop walking straight.
Just crab walk. If you go straight, you're going down the hill. Do you shuffle? Come in, man.
Actually, probably shouldn't be doing this with my foot.
The funny thing is, going down is the easy part.
I was there, how the f you find them place here? Babe, you be careful, please. Lauren put a little rum in the coconut water, tastes so much better.
White rum in there?
Yeah, very good.
A little bit. A flavor. But this coconut water tastes like shit.
And I've got to say, in all honesty, it's the biggest piece of dog shit.
Babe, just step carefully.
Yup. Yeah, man.
That's what you should do everywhere we go.
Ooh, beautiful.
This is actually a wicked spot. This is sweet. This is crazy. In Jamaica, we call this maca. Oh. In Jamaica. Look at my sexy woman. What's the best country in the world?
Jamaica.
Where would you find this hot stuff?
We got sushi, but we got this guess what? Now we have 2 leg injury.